When Google I/O rolled out a ton of new features out for Chrome, other browsers like Opera must have felt the heat of it. And that's why it's bringing its own smarts into the competition. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech news. Opera has released a new version of its web browser for Android with some fine polishes. It has a refreshed start page design, and just in time for the World Cup kicking off this week, it's also put a soccer hub inside the app that features live scores, stats, and match notifications. And if you're running low on storage, this feature is available in Opera Mini as well. Opera's hoping that you'll stay up to date on all of the action using its soccer hub. It includes a carousel that displays scores for all games that are currently taking place. You can tap on a match for more details and select your favorite teams to get notifications on critical moments during a game. Unfortunately, the hub features an AI-powered newsfeed instead of one curated by humans, so that might feel like just an AI telling you about the stats, unlike a football fan who goes on and on about the World Cup in the news. In terms of the start page refresh, there's a weather widget that provides real-time conditions at a glance. Though you can still customize the start page, by default you'll have the option to quickly switch to a private browsing session or hop into Opera's AI mode via new shortcuts. Opera is also letting you customize the speed dial icons. Now they can be square, round, or squircle. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.